Welcome to my channel. I'm Diane, the owner of Vermont Lavender, where I make bath and body care products for dry skin, aromatherapy, and I run a small retail shop here in Vermont. So thank you for joining me today. So these are my lavender oatmeal bath bombs. And I had a little bit of an extra one, so I just made that as a little thing. I'll do a demo on it at the end of this video. But these are my donut bath bombs, and they're about 4 ounces. And then I also have some bath salts I'm going to decorate them with. So this is some colored bath salts with mica and rubbing alcohol, just mixed and dried. So these are the purple ones right here. And that's the lavender mica right there that I'll sprinkle on top. And then I have this one right here. This is another one. And these are made with Epsom salts. And this has a little bit of glitter. I don't know if you can see that. It has a little bit of glitter. Not much, because this will be used, you know, in the bathtub, so we don't want a lot. So this is the lavender mica right here. So I'm getting ready to drizzle on my decorations for my bath bombs right here. I'm going to make the drizzle, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. My cocoa butter, has all been melted down, and then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of polysorbate 80. I'm going to add that because I'm going to be adding mica. So I want all of this to drain right down the tub and not leave any stains below or on your tub, you know. And then I'm adding half a cup of baking soda, and let's see how I have to do less or more. And I'm adding the baking soda as a nice, like, you know, it's a thickener. It's just a little bit more. So it all depends on what type of thickness I'm trying to create here. So I want to create like a drizzle. So, and this all has been sifted. I sifted the baking soda. And then I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use a piping bag. I thought about using a plastic bottle, but then I have to clean it out. So I was thinking about, I have to do dishes after this, so this is kind of nice just like this. I could probably just use my spoon and just drizzle it like that. I do it a little bit. It's not too bad though. Maybe just a little bit more. That's my husband banging. He's fixing the upstairs. We're still in construction on this building. If you haven't seen any of my videos or vlogs on opening the retail shop or getting the retail shop all set to go, I have that as part of my playlist. So this is 99% rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to just do a little bit of mica painting first, and then I'm going to add my drizzle. So I just have to keep on stirring it. It's definitely at the right consistency to do this. So that's my baking soda. Put that aside, and I'm putting it on here because it is a little cold in the shop. And what I did is I mixed a little bit of gold in here and a little bit of purple. I might do a little bit more gold. And And so this is mica that I had left over from painting my shower steamers, and it's the lavender chamomile. And I just wanted to have a little bit of color to these white ones because I didn't put any color in the bath bomb mixture because this is my first time making these doughnut. And this just adds a little bit of interest. It smells beautiful. It's a lavender chamomile, and I blended it with some oat milk and honey fragrance oil. So it smells absolutely beautiful. So relaxing. I have a little bit left. Now my drizzle is ready. It is. It's pretty good. I think that's perfect. Okay. So let me just make sure I get that in the camera. Yes. Okay. So that's the drizzle right here. You can see that's perfect. So I'm going to take a little bit of it and I'm just going to go like that and drizzle it right on. So I'll go like this action. So back and forth. And I'm going to do my little my little cloud first. So let me zoom that in so you can see what I've done so far. So we'll do our cloud. That's our little tester. So I just want to do a little bit. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I'm going to have a lot left over, my goodness. Oops. Oh, I want to add my salt on it too. I'm not sure if I should add the purple salts because they're kind of like just blending right in. Oops. It'll come off. All right. So I could use like a piping bag type thing, but you know what? I'm not going to. This is a lot of cocoa butter. I'll have to make some more. All right, so let's sprinkle this on. And you have to do the sprinkle of the whatever you want to put on there. You have to do it immediately because the cocoa butter just dries so quickly. Could definitely add some glitter. A little bit of glitter. The salts look pretty though. It looks like sugar. Actually, it looks like sugar is what it looks like. Simpler is better. Sometimes just making it nice and simple because that's a lot of cocoa butter on there. All right, so let's do these here before my stuff thickens up on me. I'm just going back and forth, and I'm doing it a little bit even on the cocoa butter because when I put it in the tub, it may, if I just do one side, it may sink, which might happen anyways. But oh, remember I gotta sprinkle. It does. It looks like sugar. But it's not. Alright, so drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. And this will be really nice for the bath water too. And for your skin, because it has cocoa butter. It's going to be such a treat. I can't wait to try these out. Those are pretty. And your water is not being colored because I don't like a lot of color in the water. getting all of it. Getting the rest. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's put that right on there. There we go. So pretty. All right, let me show you. Okay. Oh, wow. All right, so what do you think? They smell great. Some beautiful looking bath bombs. So it's a lavender, oat, and milk and honey bath bombs, donut bath bombs.